Hey, what's up, guys? So, what I want to talk to you guys now about is um, a topic which is very popular and has been widespread, and a lot of people talk about it now. It's about Area 51, the Groom Lake, and UFOs, UFO phenomenon. Um, many researchers and ufologists, such as Jacques Vallée, have looked into this phenomenon and have been trying to figure out what it really is and how how it happens, how it develops, and why it happens, and where they're coming from. And I recall watching an interview of Bob Lazar over the internet where he explains how these ships, these UFOs, actually operate and what kind of fuel they run on. In other words, he explains that they use, element 115, which, if I remember correctly, like element 115 turns into element 116 through fission and then like heat, and then that fuels the aircraft to hover and to glow. You know, I usually when I was in Europe when I was little. Um, to be honest with you guys, I mean, I don't want to get, I don't obviously don't want to get called a nut or something that's anything like that. But to be honest with you guys, I during that period, a lot of people did see UFOs hovering, the same ones you see on the videos, like on YouTube. A lot of people saw those videos. I mean, not videos. They saw the actual aircraft in the sky. I mean, from a far distance, hovering around certain objects, like hovering around the tower. I mean, that's what I saw. I saw. So once I was in the countryside and I saw UFO. Um, it came. It did not make any sound. It hovered over me and then it quickly went away. I saw another one when I was very, very little from a tall building that came close to the building. It came in slowly. It came in from the mountains. There was mountains ahead. So it came from the mountains. It was all white, glowing, so completely bright white light. It was not ball lightning either, because there was no lightning. So it came, it stopped, it made like a round circle, and then it like with the speed of light, it like vanished into the horizon. Um, and I saw another one in the countryside where it hovered on top of us, and I saw another one around the tower in the city. So you know, and I'm not the only one. A lot of people have seen these objects, and I can tell you there were not government aircraft because they they were. It was all bright. It was not like just few lights. The whole thing was bright lights. And there's no government aircraft that I know of that does that. I mean, no, you can tell me there are some, but trust me, there aren't. It's completely supernatural, and I do believe that you know uh, the UFOs do exist. Now, do aliens exist? I'm not so sure about that. I don't know if aliens or extraterrestrials exist, but I do know that UFOs do exist. Well, you might ask me, who operates them? Then, if it's not aliens, like who drives them? Then, well, I don't know, but I do know that UFOs do exist. And regarding what's going on in Area 51, I know it's a secret military installation, which the government is keeping very secret because it's obviously developing secret weapons, aircraft, and there's a possibility that they're working on super advanced aircraft, such as UFOs, and they're trying to advance those aircraft to be more advanced. They're trying to advance technology, just as it's happening in Silicon Valley in the tech industry. Same thing. I mean, the government is more powerful. I mean, they just keep their secret secret. You know what I mean? They're not going to reveal it to the public for private purposes. And a lot of people wanted to get that information out from there, like, but I don't think it's going to happen because the government is the government. They need to keep certain things concealed. They can't just reveal whatever they want to people. You know what I mean? And I would love to visit that one day and see what's going on up there. It's a very interesting place. A lot of cool stuff. A lot of cool stuff. Okay, guys.